this guided meditation for the new moon in Capricorn on Sunday, January 2nd, 2022. Today's new moon is about finding grounded motivation, about checking in with yourself. It's not about being rigid or hard on yourself. It's more about looking at yourself, seeing how you've evolved in the last year or two, and deciding how you want to show up differently for your greatest and highest good. I invite you to close your eyes for this meditation. You to check in with yourself on a few questions this new moon. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Planting seeds that will ripen throughout the course of the year. I invite you to check in with yourself on how you've changed in the last year to 2 years. Allow yourself to answer this question from an intuitive space. Allow yourself to confront the answer and how it makes you feel, understanding that there is no good or bad, there just is. To visualize a change that either expands on the work that you've already done, pushing you outside of your comfort zone, or a change that is rooted and grounded in motivation and ambition, very much in the energy of Capricorn. How does it look for you to be in this space of change and evolution? How does it feel for you to be driven by your desires, your ambition, your drive? Allow that feeling to permeate through every fiber of your being. are capable of anything that you set your mind to. Live intentionally, my friends. If you've made it to the end of this meditation, I'm so proud of you. Please leave a comment below and let me know one thing that you are looking forward to this year in 2022. Also, I'd love to hear what kind of meditations you guys want from the channel. If there's any particular frequency healings or crystal guides or anything that you'd like to know about, I'd love to get your feedback there. And also, like every other channel on this platform, if you could like, subscribe, and share this video, it really does wonders for my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.